What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. First off, before I even get into today's video, I'm going to say I'm so sorry for missing Wednesday upload. I think that was Wednesday's upload. Yeah, it was Wednesday's upload. If you are not aware, I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Those are like my set scheduled dates that I upload, and I'm so sorry for not uploading Wednesday. I just really needed that day or the day before that to take that break, a break, because I've literally been doing 11-hour shifts at my job. And I work at Walmart, by the way, if y'all don't know. I literally have been doing 11-hour shifts at my job, and I just needed that day off. And also today is Friday, but this video is going up late Friday, and I'm also sorry about that because yeah, I didn't get off work until like 11 something last night. Yeah, like I didn't get home till like around 12 something, so I really couldn't record. And then the day before that I was working and I couldn't record that day as either. So yeah, and today's video is going to be a skincare haul. Now if y'all don't really know, like a lot of people, I get a lot of compliments on my skin, but I really don't do a lot to my skin, and that's what I really used to tell people, and that's why I never really bothered with making a skincare video, even though a lot of people tell me to make one. I just never bothered with making a skincare. I just never bothered with making one. So I have a whole Walmart bag full of skincare items that I picked up, and that I also got some recommendations from a couple of my friends as well. So also I've been breaking out a little bit around this area around my mouth. It's gone right now because it comes and goes and I talked to my fellow beauty boy Nico. He's a makeup artist, and he kind of helped me out with and gave me some tips and some things that I need to do and some things I need to purchase to take care of my skin. If that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you will not be disappointed with my future uploads. Because y'all, I have some things in the mail that I'm going to be reviewing, and I can't wait for them to get here as well. And if you guys want to, and all this is drugstore, by the way, as well. All this is drugstore items that you can just find at your Walmart or anything like that. Yeah, also hit that bell notification button right after that to be notified for my future uploads, and give this video a big thumbs up because it is greatly appreciated. And let's just get into this video. So I'm gonna first be starting off with the first thing that you need to always do is cleanse. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now also a fellow beauty boy, Antonio. His name is Antonio Beauty on Instagram. He had a lot of articles posted about himself, about how he cleared his acne and different things like that. His acne and everything. So the first thing that he actually purchased was from the not the first thing he purchased, but his cleanser that he used is the Cetaphil cleanser, the Gentle Skin Cleanser. And I just used this today in the shower. By the way, I washed my face in the shower. Let me move my hair out the way. By the way, I wash my face in the shower. Usually when I get in the shower, I wash my face. Not every time, but maybe once every 2 days, or even once a day. I don't know. It depends on my mood and how I feel about my skin at the time. So when I used this in the shower today, it literally it felt like a lotion, like you putting a lotion on your face, but it's literally cleansing your skin because it doesn't have soap in it. And if you don't soap really strips your skin, and I guess this just doesn't have soap in it, so it doesn't do that. It said, wait, okay. So I'm about to read the bottle right now so y'all can know. It says, soothing, non-irritating, ideal for face and body, helps skin retain needed moisture, mild enough to cleanse a baby's delicate skin. Wow, okay. Rinses easily and leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Okay, when I did rinse it, my face did feel clean and soft. So I'm about to be, and also whenever I've never purchased the actual bottle. I always use a knockoff brand, which is like the Walmart brand or the Family Dollar brand or even the Dollar General equivalent to that, like, you know, their own little take on it, on that moisturizer. But they have nothing compared to this moisturizer. This is like better than all of them, of course, because it's the original. So the second thing I'm going to be talking about, of course, is exfoliator. Like, now, I was literally in the line yesterday and I was like about to check out, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot an exfoliator. So I literally looked as fast as I can and I came across the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrubs. It says it has an Allure Award, which is like Reader's Choice Award winner. Yeah, so it has in 2016. It says deeply exfoliates and removes impurities for glowing skin. Now, I tried to buy an exfoliator from Dollar General before, and it literally didn't have enough exfoliating beads in there to actually scrub like my face, you know, really get all that dead skin off of it, because it wasn't really doing its job like that. But y'all, and first I put too much of this on my face as well, so like, but I literally put it on my face, y'all. This junk really clean, like it really was scrubbing. Like I was like, okay, this is what I'm like. I was literally in the shower talking to myself. I'm like, this is what I'm talking about. Like it was literally doing everything I needed it to do. Like it scrubbed and like, you know, really got into my skin and in my pores and around my nose. Cause that's what I really need to exfoliate, is like my eyebrow area and my nose and like right in here. And y'all, when I rinsed my skin was so smooth afterwards. Oh my god, it was so smooth. It really was. But I will not be using this scrub every single day. I will maybe use this like 3 times a week or even 2 times a week, as needed, as I would need for my skin. So yeah, y'all should really go buy this. My niece has been raving about this as well, and she really loves it. She has like 3 bottles of it, and I was like, I should really definitely pick it up. And it smells just like apricots. Oh my god. A little bit too much like apricots, but it still smells good. So moving on to toner. Now, most of this stuff I have tried today, like just now. Like I just tried it today. As y'all can see, like my skin looks really nice, except for this our little friend down here, but hopefully that will go away soon. I picked up the Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel, the hydrating toner witch hazel. Now, it's an enhanced witch hazel, which is like, now it's a toner. So now, when I literally ran throughout Walmart looking for a toner, and I could not find one, and then I came across this, and I was like, oh my god, thank you. And I read it just to make sure it did everything that I wanted it to do, and it says that it moisturizes skins and refines pores. And I have large pores in this area, so I really need my pores refined. So hopefully this thing, I just tried it today, I don't know, but hopefully in a week or so I can actually do a review on a separate review for different, you know, most of these items, to actually go into depth in how they work for my skin and how it turned out for my skin for you guys. It says enhanced with nourishing hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to soften, condition, and gently remove impurities without over drying. And it's also alcohol free, and it has a little like chart on the back, like to show you what it does. It says moisturizing. Yeah, and it's just basically telling you how to apply it afterwards, which I have some cotton rounds for that. I will most definitely make a review video about this as well. And thank you, Dickinson's, as well. They follow me on Instagram. Like, thank y'all. Like, for real. And y'all should also follow me on Instagram too. What are y'all doing? Go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Duh. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about before the 2 main products I really want to talk about, okay, is the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer. Now, I did not use this today because I used something else on my skin, but I will be using this every day, probably in the mornings when because sometimes I don't wash my face every day because I have oily skin and I can't do that every day. So I wash, I'm probably going to be washing my skin every other day, But instead, I'll wake up in the morning and I'll put water on my face and whatnot, and I'll probably just apply this. So this, I will definitely make a separate video about this, going into depth on how I feel about this, because I will be using this almost every single day. So these next two products I'm going to be talking about are some fairly new products. Actually, they just probably got released maybe a month ago. They're by Garnier, the Skin Active line, which is like their take into skincare, even though they already were into skincare, but I guess, you know, more advanced skincare. And these are the Garnier Skin Active 3-in-1 moisturizers, which is like a day, night, and a mask, 3-in-1. I have both containers, which is, this is the soothing one, which is enhanced with rose water, and this is the hydrating one, which is enhanced with aloe juice. Now the soothing one, I already seen my a couple of my other beauty boys that I'm in a group with, they picked this up already, and they also, like, they say they really loved it. And I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to try that. So like maybe a week ago, I seen it at my Walmart because I was literally looking for this, but I didn't see it. So I'm like, oh my God, yes, we got it, blah, blah, blah. I seen this yesterday. This is when I picked up everything yesterday. I seen this yesterday. I was like, okay, great, good. So I was sitting there staring for a quick second, and then I seen this one. I'm like, wow, it's a hydrating one too. I was like, ooh, which one should I get? Which one should I get? Which one should I get? And I was like, why not just use both of them? And I was thinking about using this for this week that's coming up, which today is Friday. So by next Friday, I will have another review about this and how I feel about the rose water one. And then the week after that, starting next Friday, and the week, you know, after that, I will be reviewing this one and using this almost every night and as a mask and whatnot. So since I'm going to be using the e.l.f. one throughout, you know, my mornings, and, you know, to get me through the mornings, and when I cleanse my skin at night, I'm going to be using this as a mask, you know, as a nighttime mask and a nighttime moisturizer. And then the week after that, I'm going to be using this as a nighttime mask and a nighttime moisturizer, and just making a review about that, about these. So there is a big difference between the rose water, the pink one, and the hydrating one, the hydrating blue one. Now this is a thick cream, like a cream. If you pack this on your face, this will literally be a mask if you pack all this on your face. Now you can see there's nothing coming out. It's really thick. That's the difference. This is a soothing one. Okay. This is the hydrating one. The hydrating one is more loose, like in texture, like y'all can see it moving. It's very loose. It's more of like a, how can I describe this? Like a conditioner. If you know what a conditioner is, like not a thick Shea Moisture conditioner, like what kind of conditioner? Like a suave conditioner, like no shade, but like a suave conditioner. That's like how it moves and how it feels. Not feels, but like the slipperiness of it. And this, you know, like a thick cream. So there's a huge difference in them. I was thinking like maybe they're just the same thing, but just in different containers, you know, and formulated the same, but just rose water and aloe juice. No, they're completely different. So that's why I did a good call in picking up both of these. So far I just applied this to my face. Just a little bit goes a long way with this, literally, because I almost picked up a big glob of it and put it on my face. No, it would have been way too much, y'all. It would have been way too much. This is already so good. It smells so good on my skin. This also left a scent on my skin too, and it smells so good like throughout the day. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I picked up in my skincare haul. It literally came up to like $40 something for all this stuff, which I would say is pretty good, but also pretty expensive because this is the most I've ever spent on skincare. Usually let me tell y'all what I would do back in the day. I would just buy a cleanser and a moisturizer. That was it. I never bought a toner. I mean, I did, but like that was way back. Like, and I bought witch hazel too from Family Dollar, and I could not find that. I don't know what happened to that. I'm guessing somebody probably threw it away or something, but I could not find that. But if you guys like today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all Monday.